How to reset ULT 5 on factory settings. If you cannot operate the speaker after you turn it on, or you have issues after pairing it with some device, you can reset the speaker on factory settings. How to do this? Press and hold the power button on the speaker for about 10 seconds. It will reset the speaker. The speaker is turned off during the reset, and then turn it back on after completing the process. Resetting the speaker does not delete its pairing information. The pairing information is stored in the speaker when the speaker is turned off. If the speaker fails to operate successfully after you reset it, you can initialize the speaker to restore its default settings. How? While the speaker is turned on, press and hold the play button and the ULT button until the speaker turns off. It will take 5 seconds. The speaker is initialized now. All settings, like volume, are restored to the default settings and all pairing information is deleted. One more thing. The speaker cannot be initialized while the power is off. Therefore, it must be turned on. If you would like to watch more interesting videos that are similar to this, please subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.